Hi, I'm Fatin Akila.
Hi, my name is Aimuni.
My name is Afifah.
Hi, I am Siti Kumaira.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 3 from Class D1 CS1431A. We'll be presenting our group project under course Math 123 Foundation of Geometry, which is Geometry of Application in Real Life. Firstly, I'm going to talk about our first case, which is the Love Pyramid. Specifically, the reason why we choose the Love Pyramid is because of the architecture of Love Museum. Accordingly, the Louvre is the world's largest and possibly most famous art gallery. It has 35,000 items of art on exhibit. Before we continue to calculate the volume of pyramid, I need to share the Louvre Pyramid history. Firstly, the Louvre Pyramid is a massive glass and metal structure which is located on the right bank of the Seine in Paris. The pyramid is bordered by three smaller pyramids in the Louvre Palace main courtyard. The main entrance to the Louvre Museum is a massive pyramid. It was completed in 1988 as part of the larger Grand Louvre project and has become a trademark of Paris. The Grand Louvre project was announced in 1981 by François Mitterrand, then President of France. Yeo Ming-pei, a Chinese-American architect, was chosen as its architect in 1983. Pei first created the pyramid structure in late 1983 and it was first shown to the public in early 1984. He was the architect of pyramid whose entrance opened in March 1989, the bicentennial year of the French Revolution.
The pyramid structure was engineered by Nicolas Charin, now Limited of Montreal, and Ralph Francis Ricci of Paris. It reaches a height of 21.6 meters. Its square base has 34 meter sides and a 1,000 square meter base surface area. It's made out of 603 rhombus-shaped glass segments and 70 triangular glass segments. According to the Louvre, the pyramid comprises 673 planes, 603 rhombi and 70 triangles. There are 171 planes on each of the three sides, with 18 triangular planes on the edges and 153 rhombic planes arranged in a triangle. The fourth side, which includes the entrance, has 9 fewer rhombic and 2 fewer triangular elements for a total of 160. According to certain sources, Paris office has 689 employees. Today, travelers and Parisians alike adore the pyramid. It complements the building perfectly and has even become a tourist attraction in and of itself. Let's watch a short video of the Louvre Pyramid.
Now, I want to present how to calculate the volume of Louvre Pyramid. First of all, the formula of volume of pyramid is 1/3 multiply base area multiply height. The height of pyramid is 21.6 meters and base area is 34 multiply 34. So, 1/3 multiply 34 multiply 34 multiply 21.6. The answer is 8,323.2 meters.
Next, I am going to calculate the surface area of Louvre Pyramid. First, we need to find the slant height of the pyramid. To find slant height, we can use the Pythagoras theorem, which states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the square of the lengths of the other two sides. So, slant height equal to square root 21.6 square plus 70 square equal to 27.4875 meters.
A basketball is a spherical ball. It is often ranged in size from little promotional products with only a few inches, which is centimeters, in diameter to extra big balls with a diameter of over 2 feet, which is 60 centimeter, used in training activities. James Naismith, a Canadian physical education professor and instructor, looked for a rigorous indoor game to keep his students interested and fit. Originally, basketball was played with a soccer ball. The early basketball balls were brown, and it wasn't until the late 1950s that Tony Hinkle, looking for a ball that would be more visible to both players and spectators, produced the orange ball that is currently widely used. The major method of ball movement was passing the ball. Dribbling was eventually introduced, but the asymmetric design of early balls limited its use.
Reason why we choose basketball as our second case is basketball aids in the development of motor coordination, flexibility and endurance. It also promotes agility, speed and strength. These abilities have been found to improve cardiorespiratory, fitness and self-esteem by promoting a healthy body weight and encouraging increased physical activity. Next, rules of basketball. As we know, in every games that we play, there must be rules so that the game will be fair for everyone. So in this game, which is basketball, there are 16 rules, all of them, but I'm gonna read only half of them. First and foremost, only 5 players per team on the court. Second, score more than your opponent to win. Third, score within the shot clock. Fourth, dribbling, advance the ball. Fifth, the offense have 5 seconds to inbound the ball. Besides that, the offense also must advance the ball. Another rule is ball and ball handler must remain inbound. Last but not least, defenders can interfere with a shot on a downward trajectory. Let's watch a short video of our second case, which is basketball.
Leads in, backed away and stolen by Holiday. Phoenix has the foul. And a cool ball throws it down. And a foul.
Next, we want to present about the surface area of basketball, which is sphere. The formula of surface area of sphere is 4 pi radius square. The calculation is 4 multiply pi multiply 12.13 square. And the answer is 1848.977 meters square. Next, the formula of volume of sphere is 4 over 3 pi radius cubic. The calculation is 4 over 3 multiply pi multiply 12.13 cubic. And the answer is 7,476.03 meter cubic.
Before continue to the calculation about basketball, I would like to talk about angle of elevation and depression in basketball. Based on the picture given, the height of basketballer is 1.8 meter, meanwhile the height of basketball hoop from the ground is 3.05 meter, and the length of basketball hoop and free throw line is 4.19 meter. To find angle of elevation and depression in basketball, we will use trigonometric ratio, which is sin cos tan. First situation is angle of elevation from a basketballer to the top of basketball hoop. First of all, we need to minus 3.05 meter with 1.8 meter to create a triangle between basketballer and the top of basketball hoop, so that we can use trigonometric ratio, which is tangent. Then, to find angle of elevation from a basketballer to the top of basketball hoop, we can write as tangent A equal to 1.25 over 4.19. So A is equal to inverse tangent 1.25 over 4.19. So the answer for angle of elevation from a basketballer to the top of basketball hoop is 16.61 degree. For situation 2, I would like to present about angle of depression from the top of basketball hoop to the free throw line. first, we need to create a triangle between the top of basketball hoop and free throw line. So in this case, we can use tangent. To find angle of depression from the top of basketball hoop to free throw line, we can write as tangent B equal to 3.05 over 4.19. So B is equal to inverse tangent 3.05 over 4.19. So the answer for angle of depression from the top of basketball hoop to the free throw line is 36.05 degree.
As we can see, geometry has an impact on us in even the smallest aspect of our life. It helps us understand specific phenomena and improve our quality of life in whatever form it takes. Geometry is an essential branch of mathematics and ancient science. Not only that, geometry is used in a variety of fields, including art, measurement, and building. Geometry also provides many foundational skills and contributes to the growth of logical thinking, deductive reasoning, analytical reasoning, and problem-solving abilities. In conclusion, we are contributing to our overall development.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.